Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Grab your cleaning stuff, grab your fall decorating stuff if you haven't decorated yet, turn this video up, clean and decorate right along with me. So let's jump into it. The first step we are cleaning is the kitchen. I'm taking everything off the cupboards, putting it away. If it's food, it goes in this cupboard. If it's not food and it's wrapping supplies or other things that I know I'll use soon, I put it in another cupboard. This helps me keep organized and I know exactly where it's at. Next, I'm going to be taking my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. If you love this spray, let me know down in the comments below. It's kind of expensive, so I'm looking for something else that's just as good, that smells great, but isn't quite expensive, because $3.99 to $4.99 a bottle for a cleaning spray is a lot, especially when you go through it so fast. I like to take everything off the counter, wipe the whole counter down, and I like to even wipe down the electrical outlets because they can get so germy. Once my kitchen is all complete and clean, I like to decorate in stages or rooms one at a time so the mess stays in one room. So I'm hanging this cute little welcome sign up. I usually would hang it outside, but I didn't want the sun to fade. Next, we're moving to the family room. I'm wiping down my console table with my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. I bought mine from Target. I love the way it smells and makes your home feel fresh and clean. We get a lot of dust where I live, so I'm making my home feel fresh and clean for fall. Next, I'm going to be taking this piece of fabric. It's not even a table runner. It's not finished on the edges. It's just a piece of fabric I bought 1/4 of a yard of. I think I bought it from Joann's or Walmart, to be honest. I laid that down because I wanted it to look cute and all brought together when I'm done decorating, but I didn't want it to scream fall really loud like fall threw up in my living room or family room. So I just kept it nice and simple and brought the color schemes in that I am using this year. I'm adding the textured pumpkins and pictures with deeper tones and colors. I switch my pictures out depending on the season, and I like to keep my decorations all organized by putting them in a bin and labeling the bin so that I know when summer rolls around again, I'll pull that out and take all this down and put that back in the bin, and then it's all organized and all put together and things aren't breaking and falling apart when they're put away. I'm using Dollar Tree stems, floral stems I bought, and just putting them under the picture so it looks like a garland is kind of growing around the picture, like it's planted there almost. I just like things to look cohesive, effortless, nice and clean lines, and bright. Once I decorate a section, I like to step back and admire it and make sure it looks the way I want. Next, I'll place this big pumpkin next to my console table. I bought it from Hobby Lobby. I left the tags on it just to make sure I loved it. And then once I know I love it, I take the tags off, just to guarantee that I know it's staying and I want to keep it and keep it a part of my decor probably next year also. Decorating for holidays can become so expensive. It can become a little overkill also. So what I like to do with fall and Halloween is I keep a little spot designated for Halloween in my home so I'm not having to change it and redecorate it all the time. This little simple setup is really inexpensive. I bought the spell books from Target Dollar Spot, the skull from Dollar Tree, and the little bucket with the pumpkins. I DIY'd that and it came from IKEA, so I'll link that video at the end of this video. Another tip I can give you for decorating, especially if you're decorating like a bookshelf or something bigger, I like to lay out my decorations, and then once I know, oh, I like that, I'll take everything off the bookshelf, clean the bookshelf, and then put it all up so it looks cohesive and clean. Next, we're cleaning this bookshelf. It stands in the corner of our family room and it holds some very special pieces and things that mean a lot to us. I wasn't going to clean it off completely and take everything down, but I was in a little bit of a funk that day and I needed something to bring my whole fall decor together, and this was the perfect spot to redecorate, give it a fresh, clean look, and take all of the buildup and dust off the shelves that have been sitting there for probably the last few months since we moved in. Some of the pieces you'll see me reuse and put back up, but those are pieces that add texture, dimension, and height, and so I like that look of it. I'm adding pictures back on, And you'll see as I take things off and put it back on, I'm just trying to see what I really like or what looks really good. I'll link my fall haul for decorations at the end of this video so you can see where some of the stuff came from. I like adding lots of texture. I didn't want this place to be really loud with lots of orange and tons of color, so I kept it pretty neutral, and I add little pops of things that mean special things to me as well. Here are just a few sneak peeks of things you will be seeing in my fall home tour. That video will be going up within the next few days. Thank you so much for cleaning and decorating along with me for fall. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you a part of my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.